Hello everyone, this is Anne from Odulcina Scrap. I am presenting you a new digital kit to create little houses. So it's the version 2, compatible with the first version. Let me show you some houses that I've done with version 1. And those of you who purchased that kit, you know the roof was not equal on each side. Let me show you. You have the 3 examples here. Okay, this one will be better. So you had a roof like this, a roof like this that was equal on both sides, and you had one that was a little bit more flattened. And I just found, as cool as they were to use and to create, when I wanted to create a house that was on both sides, let's say, it was a challenge. So I made this version number 2, which I say it's compatible because you can fit the little houses from the first kit in it. They're all exactly the same, the biggest one. They're all the same, so you can use 2 back to back and glue them together, and they're perfect. And nothing prevents you from taking a scissor and cutting a roof like that, or more like that, or like that, you know. So you can do any kind of roof that you'd like that mimics the first houses. You can use those to back those houses. If you want an exactly similar than that, you can just retrim from the biggest houses. So this new kit, the houses are a little bit bigger, and it's going to be useful too for if we want to do like a journal with it. So they are a little bit bigger. They all come with fancy windows. Look at that. So I've used the AI to generate windows, and I spent hours to correct them, modify them, make them as I wish. And look at the window here. Sorry, the light is not perfect today. So let me show you quickly what they look. Again, humongous choice of different colors. So if you prefer like the greenish, and on the pages you have like the windows that could potentially match the houses of the page. So when you print one, you can kind of use everything. You don't need to print the whole kit to get the window that you want. So I've put windows there just so I don't leave any white gap for nothing. But there is a page of windows and a page of doors. So here is the page of windows. Some you're gonna find them twice because you might want to use them side by side. Let me show you right after. And some that will be more popular to my own thinking. Don't forget you have duplicate there as well. And sometimes I vary the size a little bit. And you have doors. So of course the doors you can do like we did in the first house. I also have the add-on kit from the first kit that would match and fit. And you can use just a scrap piece of paper, right? This is from the add-on kit. But see here, the door is just a piece of paper. So any of those houses there, you can use stripes of those to create doors or chimneys as well. Don't forget that. But you have fancy doors. So look at that. I've cut a couple. These were my printing tests. So let's say if I have these houses, I can put like a window there, or I can put it there, and then my roof could be another. I can cut a piece from another house, I can put lace, I can put trims, whatever, right? And then I can also put, you have bigger doors like that you can put on a side or in the middle. You can also trim all the fancy wood around the door and just keep the door. So you have a smaller door that way. But some are, if you compare, some are longer and slimmer, and it goes like that. And you have smaller windows, let's say, that you can put on the side like that. Maybe this one wouldn't be a good choice. Maybe better here. You have bigger versions too. Bigger versions. And then you can put a door. So you can always go like that. And you can add windows there. Like I'm trying to get two that are identical, but quickly like that in my video. But anyway, you can see here there's different options and sizes to fit beside the door, or bigger like this one too, or this one too. And you have smaller ones or bigger that you can put. Let's say you have two of those in the kit, so you could put two side by side like that at the top. You can put as well those tiny ones there, a tiny one in the ceiling, and you can put bigger ones, like this one is blue, but let's see, like that, right? With a door, for example. With a door, and maybe this is not perfect, but you see the point. So you can use all the doors and the windows to decorate, but you can use any kind of papers as well to do a little bit like I did. And then you can use trims and laces and any kind of stuff to decorate the houses. See? Some chiffon silk, some laces, some tulle here. It can be really like from your imagination, like the roof here is kind of from lace. There's a window there, there's a door. In that kind of projects, proportion are not really important. You can have a very big window, a very big door, no window, no doors. You could just have this house full of lace and just one window there, right? Like it's your imagination. So I wanted to show you this new kit that is now available, and I'm gonna play with that and show you my little houses in a coming video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.